In this video I want to show you how to pop the hood on your Ford Fusion. So you're gonna go on the driver's side footwell. I'm gonna find this latch and I'm gonna completely pull it. Now this is the front of the car. The hood will not be completely unlocked. It's because we need to go over here. I know it's hard to see, but there is a latch. Okay, right, you see this is the Ford logo. Go slightly towards the right and you're gonna feel it. You need to push this latch towards the left and at the same time push the hood up. So let me demonstrate. Oop, almost there. It's easier with two hands. All right, this was the latch that you need to push towards the left side, and you see this hook, it was keeping your hood in place. Now it's time to put this prop rod, and now you're done. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment as well. See you in the next one.